My dear friends, I have come again with some mathematical tricks, mathemagic we can say, which are made very easy for you. These are problems on time and distance for school children, for competitive exams like UPSC, SSC, Railway Recruitment Board, Banking, GMAT, and many Olympiads, Maths Olympiad, Science Olympiad, etc. You can do all these problems within just a short span of time. Actually, mathematics is my passion. These shortcuts I had done in 1990s. At that time, I had also appeared in these exams. So I had a compilation of all these tricks which I used to do. Hope these tricks will work out wonders for you also. So let's start these tricks. Friends, first of all, we shall start doing, suppose a problem. What's the problem? Suppose a man, a person A, he goes to school, goes to post office, anywhere, goes to market, whatever it is, he goes to school at a speed of x kilometer per hour, and returns to his house, returns back wherever he was at a speed of y kilometer per hour. Okay, if he or she takes t hours total time, what is the distance between these two places? This is a general problem. So we have come out with a shortcut for this problem. If this is x, this is y, and this is t, we have come out with a shortcut. Shortcut is xy by x plus y into t. Now suppose A goes to school at a speed of 3 km per hour. Let that be x is equal to 3 km per hour, and returns to his house at 2 km per hour. The total time taken is 5 hours, means t is equal to 5 hours. Now if we do traditionally this kind of sum, we have to do, let the required distance, because we have to find the distance, let the required distance be x kilometer. Therefore, time taken for onward journey is equal to x by 3 hour y, because this is distance and this is speed. So distance divided by speed is equal to time. Time taken for return journey distance is same, is equal to x by 2 r. Now adding up both these times according to the question by condition, x by 3 plus x by 2 is equal to 5 hours. That means 2x plus 3x by 6 is equal to 5. Therefore 5x is equal to 30. Therefore x is equal to 6 kilometer. So this is our long process, or the traditional process that we used to follow. Now by this shortcut process you can easily do it. Now x given is 3, y is 2 by x plus y into time. Now what it is, 3 2s are 6 by 5 into 5, that is equal to 6 kilometer. Only this much. So just imagine, with the formula, with the shortcut formula, you have to do only this much, and traditionally you have to do this much. So which one is convenient for you to do? I hope not that one. This one is the best, I hope. You can do any kind of sum with this. Any kind of this kind of sum, I mean to say. Now another type number 2. That was type number 1. This is type number 2. Type number 2 is a vehicle. Anything that can be a train, a car, completes a journey a certain journey in 8 hours. The first half, the speed for the first half, for the first half of the journey, this kind of sum usually comes in competitive exams. First half of journey be x kilometer per hour, and that of second half be y kilometer per hour. What is the distance covered? What is the distance traveled? Now here, what we usually do, time taken, let the distance be x kilometer. First half is x by 2 kilometer. So x by 2 kilometer is travelled in, let this be, instead of a we are doing it 10 hours. The first speed we have taken is 21 kilometer per hour, and second half y is equal to 24 kilometer per hour. Now x by 2, half of the distance, is travelled at 21 kilometer per hour, and another half at 24 kilometer per hour. Therefore time taken is equal to distance by speed plus distance by speed. So for the 2 half hours we have taken like this, that is equal to 10, because we have taken it as 10, this one total time taken is 10 hours. So x, value of x will be 2 into 10 into 21 into 24 by 21 plus 24 is equal to 224. This is the answer which I have done it in a hurry. This is your vast calculation. Now instead of doing this, there is a shortcut process over here. Let me explain to you this shortcut in another kind of pen. So this shortcut is taken as 2 into the time A into the first half, speed for the first half, into speed for the second half, divided by speed for both the halves. Just do it in this way. So 2 into 10 into 21 into 24 divided by 21 plus 24. So this, only this one is our shortcut. Instead of doing all these things, we use only this much. So only this much gets our answer, that is 224.